An Indian man gathered the strength of the whole nation, spending one full day and night, finally created 250 famous local dishes, surpassing China's Manchu Han Imperial Feast, holding a grand banquet in the countryside to show off to the world. In today's fast-changing era, cultural exchange makes cuisines around the world flourish. Yet when it comes to Indian cuisine, many people only think of curry, unaware that India is a country of diverse cultures. With unique cuisines in every region, a wealthy young villager, Jabani, was displeased by this, determined to prove the richness of Indian food, especially in his hometown. Jabani was not only wealthy, but also had deep passion for his country's cuisine. He believed only through real action could prejudice be broken. So he invited over 20 top chefs from different regions and built a grand temporary kitchen in a village field. A few days earlier, Jabani personally supervised construction, ensuring every detail showed the charm of Indian cuisine. This grand cooking event lasted from last night until this morning. Chefs fully focused, using traditional skills and authentic ingredients, prepared as many as 250 famous regional dishes. These dishes not only showed local character, but also blended flavors from each chef's hometown. Every dish carried the chef's dedication. At the rice fields in the morning, Jabani carefully arranged a long bridge table, covered with fresh banana leaves. The rice plants swayed gently in the breeze, like a vivid painting. Waiters cautiously served each colorful, aromatic dish, afraid of missing any detail. With so many dishes to try, they decided to take just a little of each, so they could taste the diversity of flavors. I am boom 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 boom. Boom 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 D. Quite a bit of city. As preparations went deeper, the distant fields and leafy green trees added vitality to the feast. Saw it. Finally, all the dishes were ready. The colorful food was mouth-watering. At first glance, it was truly a visual feast. The aroma of the dishes drifted from afar, attracting villagers passing by to stop and watch. We are not 38. Of Jabani and his two brothers sat behind the long table, excited. They looked at the food before them, their hearts full of pride, grasping the food in their hands. They ate while discussing the flavors and features of the dishes. Laughter and lively discussion echoed in the village atmosphere. Jabani acted like a leader, showing people the beauty of multiculturalism. One northern dish, Penartica, caught Jabani's special attention. It should be made with fresh cheese, marinated with spices and vegetables, then grilled. Crispy outside, tender inside, aromatic and inviting. And from the south, biryani. Soft rice perfectly blended with spices, truly appetizing. Every bite was the crystallization of hard work and love. As time passed, participants gradually immersed in delicious enjoyment. This was not just a simple food feast, but also cultural blending and emotional exchange. Javanese act made people realize Indian cuisine is far beyond curry. It is colorful and diverse, a table feast full of deep cultural heritage. Today's feast, Jabani not only achieved his goal, but also gained an indescribable sense of accomplishment. But actually, Indian cuisine still has a long way to go. After all, even national treasure level Indian curry hasn't gained wide domestic recognition. But perhaps in the near future, Indian food will receive more recognition and respect. You're annoying me to death. Through this grand feast, Chabani also broke stereotypes and further promoted exchange, deepening mutual understanding.